Since the early past, man gazed at the sky and the stars and looked at it with wonder and let his imagination grow wild. What is it that could exist there? It's surely something marvelous. Imagined at some times that there is inhabitants in other planets or in other solar systems or in other galaxies. Perhaps. But does all this imagination and illusion and dreams possess a backing reality? I don't think. That's a picture of the Earth from the moon, of course. Let's continue our conversation. What we've got to do is to look at the space as something that deserves some researches, but not that tremendous amount of researches. Because traveling to the deep space is something beyond man's ability or beyond any creature's ability, because exceeding the speed of light can never and ever happen. That was proved by the theory of relativity, and it is true and would never be contradicted till this whole universe is done. Elon Musk and his company SpaceX are planning for voyages to the space, perhaps to the moon, to man-made space stations, perhaps farther than the moon. Well, it's nice and very good, all right, for those who can afford the cost and expenses of such journeys. But it's all showing. That's part from a clip from the film of E.T. Let's go back to our conversation. As for the trips of SpaceX, it's nice to show and say to all your relatives, your acquaintances, your friends that you've been to a trip in space, you landed on a space station or on the moon or whatever, uh, even farther than the moon, and that's the pictures I took for the Earth from there. It would approximately appear as the same picture. Again, that's a picture of UFO, undefined flying object, flying dishes, as they say. Let's go back to our conversation now. Here, it's nice to see that you have traveled at space, in space, and you are showing and being proud of doing something very few has the financial ability to that the SpaceX ships that trying to make multi-trip spaceships that can be able to land on Earth and not on the sea and revoyage again. Now, here's again to our conversation. It's very nice, but what would you find? I think even due to the large distances of space, you might find in space that's what's the aim of all these projects? Entertainment, uh, discovering the origin of the universe, or, the Big Bang, what happened during the Big Bang. Is our universe enlarging or contracting? Finding other creatures in our universe? Is the answer to those questions deserving all those huge projects and their expenses? I believe there could be no wise creatures like us in any place in the universe. If there is some sort of primitive life, could be harmful to us. And addition to that, due to the very large distances of space, traveling is an to far distances is an impossibility due to the limit. The, our maximum limit, our maximum speed is the speed of light is the maximum speed that cannot be overcome or crossed. Even nowadays, the fastest spaceship speed is 1 over 300 of the speed of light. And knowing that the radius of our Milky Way galaxy is 52,000 light years, so multiplying 300 by 52,000, we need 15.6 million years to be able to exit our Milky Way galaxy. That's for traveling for us or for rockets. What about signaling? The new idea is about the quantum entanglement for sending high speed signal faster than light. I believe that the quantum entanglement is a result of mismeasuring or mismonitoring. There is nothing such as the illusion or saying that the electron or superstition the electron is speaking to another electron at the farthest end of the universe to tell him to change his position. There's nothing such as that. It's a result of mismeasuring. Even in our large quantities in our everyday life as voltage, speed, pressure, there are errors. What for measurements in the microscopic or the atomic level or the microatomic level? I believe the quantum entanglement is all a result of mismeasurement and illusion. Don't rely on the space for our future. That's my opinion and my decision. Look at our Earth. It is very nice. Don't destroy it. Don't destroy species of animals and tiny life, and don't destroy the seas. Contaminate the atmosphere by pollution. Our future is our beautiful Earth. Look at our beautiful nature. Take care of it. Protect it from destruction and demolishing. Our Earth is our future. To endeavor my message, watch the seaside of the Mediterranean. How beautiful it is. Where can you find such a magnificent place in any of the planets if they are capable of life? Till the end of my video, watch these pictures and videos. That's all. Bye.